What up, everybody? This is Dav Everything. This is day 3, technically. This is like a little past the first week of working on this house. And it is very clean over here now. And we're about to find out what the fuck David's doing. He won't tell me.
I want to knock the roof off.
You're gonna knock the roof off? Awesome. Are you sure you can? Ooh, all this is shaking. I'm stepping back. Because there's a roof right here. I don't want it falling on me. All this is shaking over here.
Nah, it's too hot there. I don't have the energy to do that.
David can't get down. He's scared.
I'm scared.
I know. Don't hurt yourself. Oh, God. Please don't hurt yourself, David. Oh, okay. Made it.
I'm tired. What's down there?
We got the dumpster filled to the top now. Super windy today. This whole area right here is ready to just fall in, so it's really sketchy to walk right here. And next week, we're going to start on this side of the house and tear everything in here out. Woo! I thought that was about to break.